Dreaming of your next getaway but dreading the price tag? I'm about to show you how to turn those CIBC Aventura points into actual plane tickets. First things first, log into your CIBC online banking. You'll need your card details handy. Once you're logged in, find the Aventura points section. It's usually clearly labeled and visible on your account summary. Click on it to check your available points balance, so you know what you're working with. Now either navigate to the CIBC Rewards Center via the portal, or use an outside travel portal. Both options are going to show you a list of flights available depending on your location. It's time to use the flight search box to choose your destination, dates, and number of travelers. Here's the crucial bit. Understand the point conversion rate. It varies depending on the type of booking you want to make. Generally, look for bonus redemption events for greater value. Keep an eye out for offers where your points are worth more. Pro tip: be flexible with your travel dates for the highest gains. Consider flying during the off-season or on weekdays, as these flights frequently have lower point requirements. Happy travels, and remember to subscribe for more money-saving tips.